6. Determine the domain and range of the relation R defined by R is equal to set of all ordered pairs with elements x and x plus 5 such that x belongs to set with elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Solution. R is equal to set of ordered pair with elements 0 and 5, 1 and 6, 2 and 7, 3 and 8, 4 and 9, 5 and 10. Therefore, domain of R is equal to set with elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and range of R is equal to set with elements 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Question number 7. Write the relation R is equal to set of all ordered pairs with elements x and x cube such that x is a prime number less than 10 in roster form. Solution. Since cube of 2 is 8, cube of 3 is 27, cube of 5 is 125, cube of 7 is 343. Therefore, R is equal to set of ordered pair with elements 2, 8, 3, 27, 5, 125 and 7, 343. Question number 8. Let A is equal to set with element x, y, z and B is equal to set with element 1, 2. Find the number of relations from A to B. Solution. Since number of elements of A is equal to 3 and number of elements of B is equal to 2, therefore, number of elements of Cartesian product of A and B is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Hence, the number of relations from A to B is equal to 2 raised to the power 6. Question number 9. Let R be the relation on Z defined by R is equal to set of all ordered pairs with elements A and B such that A, B belongs to Z, A minus B is an integer. Find the domain and range of R. Solution. Since A, B belongs to Z, therefore A minus B belongs to Z. So, domain of R is Z. reason. And range of R is also Z. Function. A relation f from a set A to a set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B, as shown in figure. That is, image of 2 is 3, image of 3 is 8, image of 4 is 1. In other words, a function f is a relation from a non-empty set A to a non-empty set B such that the domain of f is A and no two distinct ordered pairs in f have the same first element. For example, let x is equal to set with elements 1, 2, 3, 4. The relation f is equal to set of ordered pairs with elements 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 3 and 2, 1. From x to x is not a function. Give reason. Reason. 2 is the first element of two distinct ordered pairs 2, 3 and 2, 1 in F. If f is a function from set x to set y, then ordered pair with elements x and y belongs to f as f of x is equal to y, where x belongs to set x, y belongs to set y. Y is called the image of x under f and x is called the preimage of y under f. Set x is called the domain and set y is called codomain of the function. The function f from x to y is denoted by f such that from x to y, as shown in figure. Let us examine some examples. Example 1. Let x is equal to set with element 2, 3, 4 and y is equal to set with element 1, 3, 6, 8. Examine whether the following relation given below in figure is a function or not. Give reason. Solution. Given relation is a function because image of every element of x is unique. That is, f of 2 is equal to 3, f of 3 is equal to 8 and f of 4 is equal to 1. Example 2. equal to set with element 3, 6, 8 and y is equal to set with element a, b, c. Examine whether the following relation given below is a function or not. Give reason. Solution. Relation f is not a function because element 8 of x is not pre-image of any element of y. Example 3. Let x is equal to set with element 1, 5, 7 and y is equal to set with element a, b, c, d. Examine whether the following relation given below is a function or not. Give reason. Solution. Relation f is not a function. Why? Because the element 7 of x has two images in the y. Example 4. Let x is equal to set with element 2, 3, 4, 7 and y is equal to set with element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Examine whether the following relation given below is a function or not. Give reason. Solution. Yes, what about solution? Is it a function? Yes, relation f is a function. How can we say it is a function? Because every element of x has unique image in y. Definition. A function which has either R, that is set of real numbers, or one of its subsets as its range is called a real value function. Further, if its domain is also either R or a subset of R, it is called a real function. Example. Let n be the set of natural numbers. Define a real valued function f from n to n by f of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Using this definition, complete the table given below. So, we should find the values of y, that is f of 1, f of 2, f of 3, f of 4, f of 5, for the values of x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Solution. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to f of 1 is equal to 3. When x is equal to 2, f of 2 is equal to 5. When x is equal to 3, f of 3 is equal to 7. When x is equal to 4, f of 4 is equal to 9. And when x is equal to 5, f of 5 is equal to 11. Some functions are their graph function. A function f from R to R defined by y is equal to f of x is equal to x for every x belongs to R is called the identity function. When x is equal to 1, what about y? Is equal to 1. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4. And so on. Therefore, domain of f is equal to R. That is set of real numbers. And range of f is also equal to R. Following figure shows the graph of identity function y is equal to f of x is equal to x. Constant function. A function f from R to R defined by y is equal to f of x is equal to c, comma, for every x belongs to R is called the constant function where c is a constant. If f of x is equal to 2 for each x belongs to R, then its graph will be a line as shown in the figure. That is a line parallel to x-axis. Therefore, domain of f is equal to R and range of f is equal to set with element c, that is a constant. Polynomial function. A function f from R to R is said to be polynomial function if for each x belongs to R, comma, y is equal to f of x is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dash 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 plus an x raised to the power n, where n is a non-negative integer and a0, a1, dash 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 an belongs to R, that is real number. Example. Define the function f from R to R by y is equal to f of x is equal to x square, comma, x belongs to R. What is the domain and range of this function? Draw the graph of f. Solution. When x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 4. When x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4. When x is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 4. When x is equal to minus 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, f of x is defined for all real values of x. So, domain of f is R. and all values of y are positive, including 0. Therefore, range of f is equal to open interval from 0 to infinity, including